Okay? Is this arithmetic or geometric? How do you recognize it from the formula? It's exponential, right? It looks like it's exponential because n is in the exponent. So it's definitely geometric. Is it finite or infinite? Infinite because of the 8 line on its side there, right? Infinity symbol. Okay, so can we add this one up? Why not? Because the R is greater than 1. And remember, the criteria for using that formula is that the absolute value of R is less than 1. So at that point, as soon as you recognize that, stop. Don't plug 4 in the formula and get a number. You can get a number, right? You just have to say, no sum. Okay. Now, what if this was switched? What if I make this the sum from n equals 1 to infinity of 4 times 1/2 to the n? Could you put that in the calculator and do the sigma notation? What are you going to use for the upper limit? Right? If I put that in the calculator here, right, let me clear and go alpha window 2. I mean, I could say x equals 1, that's on the bottom, 1, and then arrow up to get there. You can't put an infinity symbol. So you can still use this. You need to put in a big number of some kind. You don't want to do too big because you will really, like if I put in 500, it'll sit there and think for 5 minutes. So you don't want to do too big. You usually don't need to go very high to get it to get pretty close to the number. Let's say I put in 50, right? So let's say 50. And then 4 times 0.5 raised to the x. And now I hit enter. And it's 4. So just be, put in a reasonable number, but don't go too big because then it'll just sit there and churn inside, smoke starts coming out and everything. Yeah.